You talk to the camera? Hi. Hi, Callaway. You got any words for Mommy? What are you thinking? Yeah. What are you looking at? You're being shy, not looking at the camera. You're still looking at the ladybugs. Yeah. And the prism. It's like that up there, don't you? You got any words? Hey, beautiful boy. Hi. Hi there. Hi. Does the camera make you feel shy? A little bit shy? Yeah. Hi. Cute smile. Oh, now you're looking at the camera. Trying to figure it out? Oh, you're gonna make faces. That's cute. Make faces back at you. You gonna stick your tongue out again for the camera? You almost got your cross-eyed look there. Oh, you got the camera string. Cute. You got some more faces for it? How about the tongue sticking out one? Oh, you're not looking at me, you're looking at the camera, huh? Hi. You stick your tongue out at the camera? Uh-huh. There it goes. Curled tongue. Can you do the curled tongue? It's cute with that little half lip. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's very cute. Uh-huh. Oh, that's a cute look too. Look at you, shy boy. Look at you. Do you know I'm filming you? You do, don't you? You know that's what it's about. You share it with Grandma. Oh yeah! Oh! Your balancing act. That's very cute. If you could see his legs, you could see that he was balancing on them. In the horizontal position. He's getting ready to be a tightrope walker. Oh yeah.